and welcome to the Recipe Therapist. Today, I'm super excited because I have my grandchildren here joining me in the kitchen, and we're gonna be making some delicious Halloween treats for you all. I wanna introduce you to my grandson. This is
Joey.
And this is
Cecilia.
my granddaughter Cecilia. And we're gonna be making, like I said, some really fun Halloween recipes, right guys?
Mm-hmm.
So, Cecilia, what's the first thing we're gonna be making?
Homemade Halloween pop-tarts.
Yes. And Jojo, the second thing?
Halloween chocolate bar.
That's great. Oh my gosh, are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think you guys are gonna really love this recipe. Or both these recipes, actually. What do you say we tell them what goes into these pop-tarts? Yeah, okay. So we're gonna start out with refrigerated pie crusts, the round ones. They're really, really easy to work with. And Cecilia's gonna tell us what we're gonna put inside the Pop-Tart.
We're gonna put in apple cider jam, and we're gonna put in cinnamon bun spread.
That's right, and both of these fillings we got from Trader Joe's. So we are so excited to see what they taste like, right? Okay, and Georgia's gonna tell us what we're gonna need for the top of the Pop-Tart. We're gonna make a glaze. So tell them what we're gonna need for the top, Joe.
We're gonna need powdered sugar, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and Halloween sprinkle.
That's right. All right, so you guys ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to cut our dough. So I laid out one of the pie crusts right here. And what we want to try to accomplish is a perfect square, right guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so I asked my husband for a ruler and he gave me this. This is what we have to work with tonight. So we're gonna make the best of it. I'm just going to put this, whatever this thing is, on one side and just make a straight line cut. Okay, looks like it's working, right guys?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to go around the other side as best as I can, all right? And we're gonna actually use these scraps. We're not gonna waste them, right? Is this looking like a square, guys?
Kind of.
Looks like a square to me.
We need to cut the bottom.
Yeah, okay. It's looking like we might be doing this, right? How's that?
Perfect.
All right, so there's our square, and then we're gonna get ready to cut the rest of this into little like rectangles, right? Okay, so I guess we'll cut it in thirds, right? Just like that, and then one across, and that is the base for our Pop-Tarts. Welcome back, friends. So we wound up cutting 2 pie crusts, right, guys? And we got a lot more Pop-Tarts. So we have 4 on our baking dish lined with a silicone mat. If you don't have a silicone mat, I will link one in the description box below, or you can use parchment paper. And now we're gonna get ready to open up our jam, right? We're gonna see what this smells like, okay? So this is the cinnamon bun spread. OMG.
That smells delicious.
Does that smell good?
I can eat this all day.
Oh my god!
Me too.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat these. Oh my gosh, smell this.
This one's good
This
too.
is apple cider jam from Trader Joe's. We're so These are new this year, so we decided to use them for these Pop-Tarts. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to take the top part of our Pop-Tarts. We have to poke some holes in them, you know, sort of like for air to release while they're cooking, right? Poked our holes in the top, and we preheated our oven to 400 degrees. So now Jojo's gonna show us how we're going to put this apple cider jam on one of our Pop-Tarts, okay? So this is the top, and this is the bottom. So just go ahead and put one of those spoons on there. I guess we'll probably put like 1 or 2 teaspoons, right? Like this, okay? And then, you know, we're just going to spread it out, but we're gonna, you know, not make it come to the edges, because you're gonna see we're gonna put an egg wash on this, and we're going to seal them together. So now Cecilia is going to put the cinnamon bun spread on this Pop-Tart. All right, good job, see? Excellent, good. Okay, so I'm going to take over this, we're gonna spread it, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to do the top. All right, so we just dug into these jars, and now come take a look and see what our Pop-Tarts look like. and we are like licking our fingers here, right guys?
Yeah.
We need like, you know, little wipes because our fingers are so sticky, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now it's time for the egg wash. So we basically are going to take this egg wash and we're just going to, you know, go around with our pastry brush around the edge because we're going to seal these. I'm going to show you one. So we're going to take our top and we're going to place it right on top, okay, just like that. And then we're going to take our fork and we're going to seal it with that fork edge, you know, that we see so much on our Pop-Tarts, right? And it's looking like a Pop-Tart already, right guys?
Yep, yep.
Okay, and this is gonna seal it, and then we're just gonna go finish the rest of these, and then we're gonna get ready to put it in the oven. Look at our Pop-Tarts, don't they look great?
Yeah!
Okay, so we got about 6 here and they're ready to go in that oven. But before we bake these, I just want to show you what we did with the scraps. We rolled it out with all those, you know, leftover scraps that we have. This is a total of 2 pie crusts that we use, so you don't have to waste these scraps. But right now, we're just gonna make 6. So we have our oven preheated and we're gonna bake these for about 20 to 22 minutes at 400 degrees, and then we're gonna get ready to do the glaze for the top. Okay, so we're ready to do the glaze, right guys?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're gonna rough this, guys. So we have our powdered sugar going in this bowl. What we have to do is, you know, when you see Pop-Tarts, they have this like nice thick glaze on top. So we're gonna try to attain that, right? So we're going to we're gonna start out with 1 tablespoon of some heavy cream. And then we're going to add some vanilla extract and we're gonna mix it and we're gonna see if it's that nice thick glaze that we're trying to get, right? Are you guys excited to put the Halloween sprinkles on top?
Yeah!
And this kitchen smells like what? Like it smells so good right now, right?
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
pop like heaven over here.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna come in and start mixing. So let's see what we got to work here. All right, it needs more liquid, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to go for another tablespoon of heavy cream because I'm not gonna put any more vanilla in, you know, because that stuff's really strong. So let's just put another tablespoon of heavy cream. Yeah. Nah, look at that.
That looks good.
That's looking like a glaze, right?
Once these Pop-Tarts are ready, I was gonna dig in. I'm not gonna wait.
Oven and they're cooled off completely, right guys?
Yeah!
Don't they look so great? Look at them, they're golden brown. These 2 on the end were actually made from the scraps. So we wound up getting a total of 8 Pop-Tarts. And now this is the fun part. We're going to put the icing on top with the Halloween sprinkles. So you ready guys?
Yeah!
So I'm gonna do one first to show you guys. And I'm gonna grab this one because it's like, looks really good and it's like staring me down. So we have our nice thick glaze. So we're just gonna put it right on top of this. Look at that. See, it's nice and thick, so it's not going to, you know, be soupy on our Pop-Tart. And look how it spreads. It's so perfect. And now we're just gonna take our Halloween sprinkles, right? And we're gonna drizzle them right on top. Guys, they're all done. They came out so good, crispy, yummy, good, delicious. Ready, see?
Yeah!
Yes. So if things look a little different, it is because it's the next day and we had our sleepover last night and we kind of lost JoJo because he had somewhere to go today, but we got Cece here. She's gonna help us do the truffle bark. So what do you say we go get the ingredients and show them what's in it?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll be right back. So we're gonna show you what goes into this delicious Halloween chocolate bar. So what we have here are some Chex cereal. You can use the rice Chex or the corn. And look at these. We have some cheesy Ritz crackers. Believe it or not, they're gonna taste so good with our chocolate, right, Cece? Yeah. We've got our marshmallows, our pretzels, and what are these?
Reese's.
Reese's Pieces, right? They come like in a little box like this. Okay, got them at the dollar store. And we got some salted peanuts. We like nuts, right? But you could leave them out if you have any allergies. And for our chocolate, we're gonna use some dark cocoa chocolate wafers. And we're gonna use some black vanilla flavored wafers. This is just gonna make it look more Halloweenish. And I just wanted to show you, our sprinkles here. Look at these. What do we got in this? We got little Halloween sprinkles. We got these with the eyes in them and all the different colors of Halloween. So what do you say we get started?
Yeah!
Let's get started. Chocolate in intervals of 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave. We used both the bags, but I just saved a quarter of the black wafers because we're gonna melt them on the top of our chocolate bar when we're done. So you ready, Cece?
Yeah!
All right, so I'm going to basically take my tray here, which I've lined with a silicone mat, and I'm gonna try to get all this chocolate out, this yummy goodness, okay, into this tray. And we're going to spread it like this, all right? Really smells so good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Cece? And it looks good too. All right, so I'm just gonna try to make it into a rectangular shape like that. All right. And then what are we gonna do next? We're going to put some of those.
Put some of all the treats.
Top, right? And they're gonna stick on the spark. It's gonna be so yummy good. All right, so we're gonna start out with our check. Good girl. We'll do that, and then let's put some pretzels on there, right? I mean, there's no rhyme or reason, right? We're just gonna throw it on. And what we're gonna do is, when we're done with all our toppings, we're gonna melt some more chocolate on top. Halloween sprinkles last when we melt the chocolate on the top. So we're gonna meet you back and we're gonna melt the chocolate on the top and finish it off with the sprinkles. So here's our chocolate for the top, and I just wanna give you a little tip. If you're melting your chocolate and you feel like it's like not loose enough, you just add like a teaspoon or so of some coconut oil to it, and it makes it nice and loose like this and workable. So now we're going to do the final top of our chocolate. We're just going to drizzle it right on top like this. And you see how nice and loose this chocolate is? That's because we added some coconut oil, right, Cease?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get ready to put those sprinkles on top, right?
Yeah.
And this is looking so good, yummy. It looks like Halloween, right?
Yeah, because Halloween is almost coming up.
Yeah, that's right. Yes. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, so let's put some of these sprinkles on. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll give you some. Here. Take some, and then I'll take some. And we're just gonna spread it all around. And now this is gonna go in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna take everything out and we're going to do an official taste test. It's gonna be so yummy. Here's our chocolate bar. We just took it out of the freezer. It was in there for about 15 minutes and it's perfect. Let me show you how we take it off the tray. I have a nice hardy spatula here, so what I do is I just go under it. And you can kind of hear that. See how it just comes up? I have mine on a silicone mat. If you don't have one of these, I think I mentioned before that I would link one in the description box below. But I also have made it with wax paper, but I have to tell you, the silicone mat does work best. So we are prying this off, and then we're gonna break it up, and I have this beautiful decorative dish right here. Now let me just show you how this breaks up. It just kind of, this is what you do, you just kind of break it up. Oh, we're losing pieces. It's so yummy good. And then we can just like kind of put it on a dish like this. You know, it's got all the colors of the holiday. All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and we are gonna take a taste of these Pop-Tarts first and then our chocolate. What do you think?
Yeah.
She's been patiently waiting. So which one do you want?
I want
I think I'm gonna pick this one. This one looks good. All right, so let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
OMG. Oh my gosh. Seriously? This Alright. We lost her. In all seriousness, I got, oh my gosh, I got the apple pie one. This tastes just like an apple pie. And
I got the apple cinder one.
now we got a chocolate bar. Alright, try that.
Wait 1 second.
Okay. I'll try this.
Guys, which one do you like best? Either the apple cinder jam or the cinnamon bun spread?
Well, both of them are available at Trader Joe's. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching today. I think your kids are really going to like these treats, right?
And make sure to hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to her channel and hit the post notifications bell.
So that each time we release a video, YouTube will inform you and you'll get a little notification. We wish you all a very happy Halloween, safe Halloween, and we'll see you next time to serve up some more love. Take care.